Now we'll look at the effect of a price ceiling, which is a maximum allowable price in the market. To start, we're just going to find market equilibrium and calculate surplus at that equilibrium. So again, I encourage you to pause or skip this video, do it on your own, but I will go through here step by step how to do these first two parts of the problem. All right, so we'll plot demand and supply. Notice that I've drawn the supply curve a bit steeper than the demand curve in this case because I noticed that the slope here is a bit steeper. This doesn't really matter in terms of what I'm asking you to do, but it just helps the pictures look a little bit more accurate. So if that's something you're interested in, that's a little trick that I use. We want to find for the equilibrium point here by solving these equations. And when I do that, I will see that my quantity is 40 and my equilibrium price 30 plus 80 is 110. And now that I've got the market equilibrium, I can solve for producer surplus and consumer surplus by finding the area of these triangles on my graph. So consumer surplus will be 1/2 times the height of the triangle is 150 minus 110, and the width is 40. So that will give me $800 in consumer surplus. For producer surplus, the height is 110 minus 30, and again, the width quantity, so that's 40, and that gives us $1,600 in surplus. So total surplus, just the sum of those two, since those are the only two groups we have affected by this market, and so we got $2,400.